Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Oval Inflatable Swimming Pool with Pump. Let's enjoy the water fun in this oval above-ground pool. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy inflatable swimming pool, so you can relax your splashing pool party in the backyard. The pool is made of durable 3-layer puncture-resistant PVC material, extremely robust, UV-resistant. Just select a level surface, inflate the top ring, fill the pool with water, and you'll be splashing around in no time. Get ready to have hot summer fun in minutes. Add a touch of color to your summer family gathering. Product benefits: easy to assemble, no tools. Inbuilt with a drain plug at the bottom of swimming pool, drain water within several minutes. Walls: the pool tear resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.